How to turn off friend request on Facebook. To do that, first of all, go on the Facebook app. Make sure that your Facebook is updated to its latest version. To do that, you can simply go on the Google Play Store on your phone and update to its latest version. You can also open Facebook from your Google Chrome. Click on the Google Chrome. After tapping on it, you can simply open the Facebook like you normally do. After this, you can see on the top right section there are three vertical lines, and when you tap on it, you will see an interface like this. And when you scroll down, after you see the option of gear button, you can see the settings and privacy, and after tapping on the option of setting, you will again see an interface like this. Now just scroll down unless you see the option of audience and visibility. After you see this option, click on how people find and contact you. After tapping on this option, now you can choose who can send you friend request. There are only two options given, that is friends of friends and everyone. But in case you want nobody to send you the friend request, you can simply see who can see your friend list. To do that, you can change it to only me. And if you want people to not find you by your phone number and email address, then you can change this option as well. This way, no one will be able to see your account and only you can send them the friend request. I hope this video helped you. If you like our video, please do subscribe our channel.